It's a Saturday in July and it's really, really raining. I've written a poem about the rain. Do you want me to read it to you or recount it? I opened the door and I could hear the rain. Can you hear it too? I put my arm out and felt the multiple tiny drops of rain splish splashing on my arm. It started to get really, really wet. I decided to hold it outside the door all day, like the Indian ascetics who hold their arm in the air for like 66 years. My arm started to get really, really wet. You want to see it? I've got to go and get a towel now. Because it's so wet. It's like, it's soaking, mate. It's fucking soaking. It's like it's gonna rain all day. And my arm's, look at it, it's dripping off my arm. That's how wet you can get. I've only held it out there for what, like a minute?